Welcome to the first step in your journey to SEO success on Shopify. Today, we're diving deep into building your Shopify website from the ground up with a focus on getting noticed by Google. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. First things first, whether you're using Shopify or WordPress, setting up your online store is your foundation. Choose your platform wisely, but remember, we'll get into the nitty-gritty details in later videos. Once your platform is set up, it's time to start adding your products. This is where attention to detail really counts. Each picture and video should have a unique, descriptive name. Why? Because search engines love it when your content is organized and clear. Now, let's talk about product descriptions. Sure, you could write them all manually, but why not make your life easier? Use ChatGPT to generate those descriptions. It's quick, efficient, and can help maintain a consistent tone throughout your website. But don't stop at just adding products. Creating collections is a game changer for SEO. Think of collections as chapters in a book. They help organize your products, making it easier for both users and search engines to navigate your site. Why do you need a bunch of products and collections? Well, the more content you have, the better your chances of ranking on Google. We're not talking about a few dozen pages here. Aim for hundreds. Google loves content-rich websites. Now, here's a golden nugget of advice: tags. Don't underestimate the power of tagging your products and collections on Shopify. Tags are like the breadcrumbs that lead Google to your content. They help search engines understand what your pages are all about. So, in a nutshell, building a content-rich Shopify website involves setting up your platform, adding products with unique names and descriptions using ChatGPT, creating collections for better organization, and using tags to guide Google's algorithms. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials on each of these steps. Remember, SEO success is a journey, not a sprint. So, keep learning, keep optimizing, and watch your Shopify website climb the ranks on Google. Now, let's dig deeper into the strategies that can supercharge your Shopify website's SEO ranking. Remember, having a large number of pages can significantly boost your Google ranking. But that's just the beginning. Another crucial aspect is your presence on social media. We'll explore this more in later videos, but for now, understand that maintaining active, niche-relevant social media accounts can work wonders. It's like a testimonial of your online presence and credibility. But it's not all about external factors. Your website itself needs to be rock solid. Ensure that vital pages like contact information and privacy policies are included. These aren't just legal requirements. They build trust with your audience and search engines. Now, let's talk about tools, calculators, and glossaries. You might think they're fantastic additions to your site, and they can be. However, in our experience, they didn't yield significant SEO results. That doesn't mean you should avoid them altogether, but prioritize other aspects first. One of those priorities is your blog. Having a blog is like having a direct line of communication with your audience and search engines. It's where you can demonstrate your expertise and provide valuable content. But here's the catch: don't overdo it. Posting more than 2 blog posts a day can actually harm your SEO efforts. Quality over quantity is the name of the game here. Now let's talk a bit more about blogging. It's not just about throwing content out there. Your blog posts should be well-researched, insightful, and above all, relevant to your audience. Each post should address a specific topic within your niche and offer real value to your readers. Consistency is key. Aim for a regular posting schedule that you can realistically maintain. It's better to have one high-quality post a week than a daily stream of low-value content. And don't forget to engage with your readers through comments and social media. Interaction can boost your SEO and create a loyal following. Speaking of social media, it's a vital tool in your SEO arsenal. Beyond just having accounts, ensure they're regularly updated with posts related to your niche. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but signals to search engines that your site is active and relevant. Now let's dive into some more advanced strategies that can truly elevate your Shopify website's SEO game. We're talking about using listicles, informative articles, and clever internal linking to collections. Listicles and informative articles are gold mines for SEO. They're like magnets for both users and search engines. Listicles, with their neatly organized content, are incredibly shareable and digestible. Informative articles, on the other hand, establish you as an authority in your niche. But here's the secret sauce: internal linking. Use it strategically. Link those listicles and articles to your product collections. It's not just about guiding your users, it's about telling Google that your website is a comprehensive resource on your niche. The more interconnected your pages are, the stronger your SEO. Now let's talk about embedding collections. If your site is firm and all related parts of it connect seamlessly, that's a signal to Google that you have something special. Embedding collections is like giving Google a roadmap to explore your site. It's an effective way to ensure Google recognizes the value of your entire website. One of the most exciting aspects of this SEO journey is the potential for significant growth with minimal investment. We've seen it happen time and time again. With the right strategies in place, your website can grow at a remarkable pace without breaking the bank. It's a testament to the power of SEO when done right. But speaking of backlinks, it's a topic that needs careful consideration. Many agencies offer to boost your SEO by selling backlinks. Be cautious. Most bought backlinks can be fake, and they can actually harm your SEO efforts. Google is sharp when it comes to detecting unnatural backlink patterns. It's better to earn backlinks naturally through quality content and genuine relationships in your industry. Now, let's explore the world of translations. Translating your content into different languages on Shopify can be a game changer. It's like doubling the pages in your website for each language you add. It not only widens your audience, but also tells Google that you're catering to diverse users. However, remember to implement translations after you've followed the previous steps in this strategy. You want your new content to be just as SEO optimized as the original?